Hey there, YouTubers. Happy New Year. Holiday season's over. Time to take down the tree, put all the decorations away, get ready for the work week. And that's exactly what I've done, and I have ended up with a huge mess. Let's look at that now. There's my huge mess from my Christmas tree. Apparently, my orange cat, since he was caught red-handed, was trying to climb my Christmas tree and pretty much busted it all up. But anyway, it's out on the trash, and I'm ready to vacuum all this up, and I'm going to use two machines. I'm going to use my daily driver Synger system, and I'm going to use my Hoover RS. So this is going to be fun. This is the best part of the holiday season, just cleaning up the big mess. So here we go. I'm going to start with the Hoover RS. Filming it the best I can with the laptop. So here we go. Two more pieces of what's in here. I thought that did pretty good. Back up a little bit. And then we'll do the Synger for the rest of that. My favorite vacuum currently, and I do use it daily. So here we go. have it. I think they both did pretty good. I think maybe even the Hoover might have picked the big stuff up a little better, and the Synger picked up the little stuff a little better. But I don't know, it went pretty fast. I wish the whole house was trashed like that so I could do a test with the other, what, 67 vacuums I have. But anyway, that just saves more for next year. So I hope everybody enjoyed it, and we'll be seeing you soon. Take care.